Cic gornel gynta'r gêm. Lle na 2 funud wedi chwarae. Williams a hi at y canol! A gol yw Rwyd i hun yw hwnna. Elliot Scottiad dan bwysau gan y ffori yn rhoi'r bêl ni Rwyd i hun. Llai na 2 funud ar dechrau perffaith i'r Drenewydd. Cic gornel gynta Hwlffordd yn y gêm hon. Scottiad ni chwipio mewn! A Fawcett i gefn i'r Hwyd. Wel, ni wedi cael 2 gic gornel, ni wedi cael 2 gol. Scottiad yn sgorio yw Rwyd i hun, ond oedd y gic yma'n wych wedi chwipio mewn. A ffenia da gan Fawcett hefyd. Williams dros y gic. Mewn at Mills Evans, oedd hi ar ei frest ac oedd angen yr arbediad gan Gaida. Wel, anamal, ydych chi'n cael gol yn cael ei sgorio, oedd hi ar y brest. Ond o hwnna reit agos. Fletcher. Croesi. O ffori yn y canol, y peniad! Gaida'n arbed. Oedd wedi anelyn dda, ond dim digon o nerth arni. Trydedd cic gornel y gêm. I mewn at Sutton a thrydedd, gol y gêm, bobl bach. Wel, dwi rioed i gweld dim byd tebyg. 2 cic gornel, 2 gol, a mae'r Drenewydd yn oedd ar y blaen. Felly ni'n cael gol arall y cic gornel allwn. Williams yn isel. Summerfield ar ergyd. O honna ddim yn bell. Tafliad Jack Wilson. At y postyn cynta. Mae'n cyrraedd Williams! Dave Jones yn ei chryfangu hi allan. Nath hi ddim croesi'r llinell. Wel, Callum Roberts ar ôl beniad yn meddwl. Nath Williams yn dda, ond Jones yn well. Shepherd yn ôl i Summerfield. Summerfield yn anelu'r croesiad at y canol! Oedd Cameron Keach yno! Fe ddylefed i hwydo.
You know, you come down here and we knew what we needed to do before the game, and obviously having lost on Tuesday as well, we wanted to put that right. So we've won the game and got 7th. So fantastic, really. Proud of the players to be after 22 games, 9 points adrift to 7th, and to turn that round. And you know, really pleased. We were hanging on a little bit at the end. It was a bit anxious and a bit frantic at the end, but I don't know why they do that. They keep doing that to me. But no, look, delighted and really pleased, and we can look forward to the playoffs now.
To be fair, half time, we made a good account of ourselves. Obviously, slopping defending 2 set plays. In the context of the game, I don't think our keepers really had much of a save to make. You know, chances for, we've most probably had the better and shaded, and you know, obviously we're on a bad run at the moment. We know that. So it's quite hard when things are down, things don't fall for you. But we've got to defend better. If we defend better and we're better in both boxes, I don't think our result happens today.
You know, we're in good form. We're scoring goals. You know, we're not conceding many, but we know that in the playoffs we'll have real stern test. I think it looks like it's going to be Penabont, who we've had 2 really good games against them. But you know, before that we've also got a game against Aberystwyth next week, and we want to finish off our season well. That's us unbeaten away. Before the splits, we want to go up to against Aberystwyth next week. We're in the bottom 2. We know they want to finish in the bottom 2. It's a local derby, a lot of pride. So we want to make sure we finish the season off well, and then we obviously plan for Penabont as well.